What's cracking, guys? Welcome back. It's another day after Expo. These videos probably come out a little bit staggered, but anyways, with that out of the way, how's y'all doing? Trying to get back on this vlog thing. I actually really enjoy it. I also really enjoy editing as well. I've said that a few times, so I'm really happy that I'm basically trying to get this back on the roll. I've I just kind of lost a lot of, I don't know, ambition, I guess, once my computer died, and then now I got a computer and it's all running. So I just want to throw out there huge props due to Lulz Kev. I'll put his info down below, Instagram and YouTube. Big Del Sol guy. We've been going back and forth for like the past month. I've been catching up on a bunch of computer stuff because, like, I haven't really been into computers for a while. And so honestly, I'm just really happy that I have a PC again. I caught up on like the past, like, I don't know, maybe like 6-7 years of computers that I've missed. But yeah, PC built. As you guys can see, the recap is back to normal. I'm really happy about that because I've been trying to push the recap. I wanted it to actually be like a TV show. Like, if everybody is actually waiting for 8 o'clock or 11 o'clock on the East Coast to watch something, I wanted it to be worth waiting for, something worth watching. So I appreciate all the feedback, all the comments, the likes. It's really appreciated, guys. I put a lot of effort into it, and I want to make it enjoyable for you. Like, if you're gonna wait up 8 o'clock to watch like fucking Letterman throwing it back, you know what I mean? But if you're watching a nighttime show, it was entertaining, it was fun to watch, and then you pass out, right? So that's what I'm trying to bring to the table. If I can push it further, I'm definitely gonna push it further. Until then, though, let's get back on the vlogs, right? It's early. I told the guy to come in because he has a NC Miata he needed to get an alignment on. So I was like, yeah, bro, I'll meet you at 9 a.m. Drop off the car, pick it up in the afternoon. So that's what we're doing now. Headed to the shop. Got to meet that dude. Get the day going. I'll show you guys around the shop. Got some cool cars in. Let's go. Yo, all right, guys. So I'm at the shop finally. Got to do a bunch of emails. Got the guy's car here. So we do need to do an alignment, but like I said, it's been a while since you guys have been in the shop. For the new people, maybe you don't know that, but I'm here, basically help do a lot of emails, marketing, and stuff like that. So whether I like it or not, there's a lot of FDs. Work at Saki Bomb, so we deal with a lot of FDs all the time, and Miatas and S2000s. Basically, if you're an FR chassis, we deal with you. Look at this sick FC. It's probably one of the cleanest and era-specific ones ever. Straight endless brakes, like, it's a dope car. But yeah, like I said, this is what I have to do today. I wish I was at NSX Expo today, Thursday. But yeah, let's see what we can get into. Travis, when he gets here, he's got to do the alignment. And then for the most part, I just got to catch up on a lot of stuff. But like I said, whether you guys like it or not, there's probably going to be some FD content, even though, I don't know, they're tight, I guess. They look cool. They don't run ever, though. So if you got a buddy who's got an FD and he's like, it's the sickest shit ever, maybe. I guarantee it won't run, though. That's not me talking shit. That's literally like they don't run. So... but yeah, with that said, let's see what else we can get into today. We'll check in back soon. Yeah, stock exhaust coming out. CTR right here, brand new. This actually was on the track that I was talking about. This is tight, huh? Yeah. Oh, got a duck. Cool, another day. We're over here. Let's check this out. Stock CTR exhaust. Oh yeah, this is dope. So, brand new HKS going in. It's gonna sound awesome. Dual tips. Yeah, dude. I can't wait to hear this. It already sounded great on the track. Now it's gonna sound super loud. Hella happy. But yeah, this is I Am Racer's CTR. Yeah, world's fastest install of an exhaust. Look how sick this looks. I wonder if they make a garnish or something that like fixes that, but whatever. I like it. I can't wait till we turn it on though. Yeah, it's gonna sound so sick. We're almost there. But yeah, guys, this came out of it. Your regularly old CTR exhaust. 3-tip. Now we've got this dual HKS. Hopefully the next thing you see is it firing up. Yeah, boy. Here we go. Yeah. Cold start. Can't rev it yet. Damn, it looks nice though. Driving this car is awesome. Long distance.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah, there's still an exhaust behind you.
Yeah, we can't really take it anywhere, but yeah. Yeah, I'm literally, I should be talking, but I just can't get over looking at it. This is hilarious. Damn. Alright, little test drive. See you later, car.
It sounds nice. Oh yeah. Not crazy loud, but nice.
Oh yeah. What's up?
One more time. Can't go past 3,000 RPM.
Yeah, it's not liking it. It hits 3 and it's like no.
Yeah,
and
it
no.
allow you.
Yeah, it's not.
Allow you.
Oh my god, this car is so. Yeah. There we go. Pellegrino, the water of men.
No.
How many miles are on this car?
Stock Mazda.
This is stock Mazda. 49,000.
That means I can't drive it.
Yeah.
49475. I can't go over 50.
No.
Worthless at that.
Worthless. At 50,000 miles, they're gonna blow the whole motor. That's how these work, right? 50,000 miles rebuild.
Yeah, can I just drive this backwards on the dyno for a long time?
Yeah, that worked in Ferris Bueller. It worked out great, actually. But the interior is brand new in this car.
The interior's brand new.
Yeah.
But the turbos don't work.
But the turbos don't
Look
work.
at this guy. Look at this guy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Back up, Heath.
What are you doing?
Oh my god. Back up.
No.
Jesus Christ.
I'm forcing a situation.
Jesus Christ.
Teachable moment.
Oh my god.
Dick. Don't fucking turn around.
Oh
in
my
a
god.
driveway. Oh, jeez. Hey, Travis. The turbos don't work. No.
Like, not at all, or
I mean, no. Like if you hook up a boost gauge and sit in the passenger seat, you should.
oh, there's no boost gauge.
No. We can take that portable one, and
Yeah, I know, but there's no boost gauge right now.
I know, but there could be like in a second if I pop the hood and you sit in the passenger seat and then you watch it.
I don't want to sit in the passenger seat.
Why not?
Because I'm a scaredy cat in the passenger seat.
I'm a good driver. I'm just going
That's
straight.
debatable.
I'm going straight.
That's debatable.
Just grab the.
Look at the gauge.
Just grab the boost gauge.
I'll look at the gauge. Whether it's working or not, I'll tell you it's
What
not
a
working.
Bitch. He can work on. He can wrench on cars, but he can't sit. I don't know. I think we should take the seat out of the. We should take the seat out of the car, and then Travis can stand. Bub
Yeah.
would only stand in the car. He
Yeah.
didn't like to sit down. He would get nervous and he would like shake. But he like a BART train. He was like, I just stand up and I'll just.
I'll be like, hit my head. Wow. I'm the worst.
Travis, I took him around once, and they turned into a total baby, and he wouldn't get back in the car after. It's because we went to the.
I take Heath around once, and he's like, nope.
Yeah, well, we went. No, it's because we went to the skid pad around the corner.
We went to the alleged skid pad.
Skid pad around the corner. We went to the skid pad.
Someone's at the skid pad currently.
Yeah.
We heard
Enjoying life.
tires spinning for like straight 2 minutes.
You probably have to go through. Yeah.
You will want that.
Through the top of the hood.
We'll
What
want,
is this?
I don't know. What is this?
Just add a boost.
Add a boost.
Boost gauge.
This is how you add.
You just add a boost gauge.
You just add a sequential with this.
Yeah, look at
Wow,
that. Now we
that's
got
a
boost. We got boost gauge.
straight bolt in
Deafy.
Deafy. All right. Well, let's see how this goes.
Look at that. We just went from no gauge to gauge in like a second. No. That's the R1 lip.
What?
That's a different lip. That's the R1 lip. This one came stock on the R1s. That's the 99 spec.
Okay, what are you saying? By $4,000 we should hit 10 psi, and then
we should,
5
we should be at 10 all the way to 4.
all the way to
Then
4.
it should dip to 8.
Dip to 8.
Yep. And then it should go back to 10. And that's when the second turbo kicks back in.
The twin turbs, twin turbiskis,
The twin Turbskis.
the twin turbskis. Gotta love the twin turbski lives.
Love the Turbskis. But I think we only have one Turbski.
I think we only have one Turbowski. Planet of the Turbowsks. Turbowskizis. All right, here we go.
Okay.
Visual evidence. Nowhere near.
So what do we get?
10 dip 10.
Oh, okay. Then the car's just slow. Just a slow ass stock Mazda.
Slow ass stock Mazda.
All right.
I mean, it was exactly what you said, actually.
It was 10, 8, 10?
Dude, it was like 10
Yep. you
dip
should be
10.
Yep. 10, 8, 10. Yep. Exactly. All right. We'll do one more little
All right, dude.
one more little thing.
One
but,
more little.
I guess the car's just slow.
Car's just slow.
Car's just slow.
Just another slow FD. Heard it here first. Oh god.
I mean, that's it. That's it and that's all, man. Do another one. 10.
10. Little dip. We're back to 10. Oh, we dipped again. Oh no, we were like at 8.
Was it?
We were at 8 for that last little pull.
Really?
It hit 10 and then the last little pull. Yeah, we're losing. You actually lost some boost.
Yeah, because the pull that we did, that first one,
Yeah.
let's do a second gear.
Second gear. Third gear. Oh, it's a turn. Jesus Christ.
That's the only thing Mazdas can do is turn.
Yeah.
Oh, and look, we're literally out of gas. We just went from an eighth of a tank to 0.
Jesus.
I'm not even joking.
That's
look,
no.
the tank had gas, and now it
Tank
has no
had gas. It also had boost.
I had a third of a tank coming over here.
A third of a
And
tank?
now it's empty because it's a fucking rotary.
Rotary. Good for 2 things. Looking cool and catching on fire.
And costing a lot of money.
And costing a lot of money. That's a 3 for 3 con. Alright guys, well that was my first rotary experience. And yet again, Heath,
Didn't
a rotary
disappoint.
that doesn't work.
It was exactly what you expected.
Exactly what I expected, actually. Exactly what I expected. You get into a rotary, doesn't work.
Back into the garage.
But yeah, all shit talking aside, this FD is actually really clean. Slow, but clean. This is one of 3 FDs you own? Yeah, a number of FDs. One of whatever. The man has FDs, but he runs a rotary shop, so I would be upset if he didn't at least own that. But yeah, super clean. This one is 49,000. So yeah, give you guys a little peep ski of the inside. It's actually very clean inside. I'm pretty impressed, dude. I see a lot of FDs around here, and this one's actually one of the more clean ones. I think, yeah, I think a guy's actually showing up pretty soon. Hopefully I'm in frame, but I think a guy's actually coming in pretty soon with like a 13,000 mile or 20,000 mile FD. That one's silver, but yeah, it's pretty good. Tommy F, yeah, if you're watching this, you need to get on this level, bro. I mean, Dream FD's clean, but I don't know.
Dave, can you back into